Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your Asus Zenfone 7 Pro, at the first you have to go for the Play Store. Next, tap on the search pool and type LED keyboard. Let's get, for example, this one, application. Let's open. Tap to get started. Click OK. Tap on the switcher. Then click OK 2 times. And go for the input options, and right now just switch for the LED keyboard. I would like to set up maybe this one. Click to download the theme, close this ad, and as you can see, here we got this beautiful LED keyboard on our smartphone. So as you can see, it's very easy to set up. You can of course pick other themes if you want. You can easily change it by clicking here, and of course turn off this ad, and here we got the other theme. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.